Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Daily Passive Income Business Opportunity. My name is Simon Stepsis, coming from the UK today, and I also like to welcome all our guests today and the people also on video, which is great. We've got Peter there. Good to see you, Peter. Our Joseph, we can see you there, sir. Nice to see you with the video camera on there. And Pelayo from York. Absolutely doing amazing things there. So what I would like to do today is I'm going to be sharing an opportunity where you can make a passive income. Okay, it doesn't cost anything to get started, and yet we've got members making anything from $100 a day to in excess of $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, even more. It's something that basically I got started with literally late 2019, and it really is in 22 years as a business owner, it's the best thing I've ever done, ever, by far. Company is, you know, what most people are craving these days is extra income, and to earn a passive income. Passive means, you know, it makes money where you sleep, is pretty outstanding, and this company opportunity has delivered it to us. And not only that, it's added it with a new exchange which they've launched yesterday, actually, which I'm also going to be going through with you and explaining how you can earn an income from the cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay, so don't worry if you don't know anything about cryptocurrencies. We can show you how to get started. It's very easy, and it's a dynamic and growing market. Okay, it's what we call a upward trend, and if you want to make money, you want to be at the forefront of new trends, and cryptocurrency is definitely the forefront. If you're getting involved in Bitcoin, you are considered an early adopter, and I can assure you, if we have a look at the Bitcoin price just 5 years ago and compare it today, you will be absolutely blown away about the increase of the asset that the Bitcoin has produced. In fact, it's the best performing asset in the past 10 years by a long way, by thousands and thousands of percent. So if you're watching this webinar, you're out there watching it in the future, then please pay attention, because this is an opportunity where anyone and everyone makes money. Okay, this company has got over 60,000 members in 90 countries now, and it's just getting started. So before I go into the slides, okay, we've got some new slides to share with you tonight. A quick introduction of myself. I've been a business owner now for over 30 years. 22 years I've been making a full-time online on the internet. I was online in 1995, and by 1995 I was making a full-time income. Since then, we've been involved in lots of different opportunities. In 2017, I got involved in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And again, I've also published 3 books. 2 are in publication. This is called the Bitcoin Formula, which shows you how to get started in Bitcoin and make your first $1 million of Bitcoin. The 90-day challenge, which is a 1 kilogram book of solid information, shows you in the last business I worked, we built a team and an organization that did over $300 million and 300,000 members. So with that, I basically then got, it was late 2019 where a good friend of mine, Jet FIFA out of Australia, sent me information regarding an opportunity that can make you a passive income. This really got my attention, also an affiliate side of it as well, where you can earn even more. I decided to take a serious look, and it blew my socks off what I saw. However, I needed to be sure. So what I decided to do is I decided to find out more about the company, the CEO, and to make sure, because in the online business opportunities, especially in cryptocurrency, there's a lot of scams, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of Ponzi's, pyramids. People say all kinds of things. You need to do your own due diligence, and this is what I did. I flew to Madrid in Spain, not once but twice. The first time, just before New Year's Eve, I met the CEO, Garcia-Pelayo. This is an incredibly successful entrepreneur, which I'm going to share a little bit more about his background. And again, I interviewed him, I interviewed the corporate team, and I was blown away with what I saw. They also announced to me that they had a launch event on the 11th of January 2020, and I went over to the launch event. At the launch event, there was 400 leaders from all over the world, mainly from Spain and Latin American countries, South American countries, obviously Spanish company, Spanish speaking. However, there was a few people from the UK and Germany. There was also a good friend of mine came from Germany, and a few other countries, one American. I was there at the time. and a few others as well. So outside of that, again, it was confirming to me what we had in our hands. And again, we work this business now full time. We've got a team now. We are doing over $9 million just in our team alone. Okay, that's not the company, that's just our team alone. And again, many people's lives are changing. Okay, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, that brief introduction, I'm just going to go into some slides now. These are new slides. So the first time that I've seen them also, so just bear with me as we go through them, because we've got something exciting to share with you with the new earnings opportunity that this opportunity offers us as well. And it was already unprecedented already. So if you bear with me, I'm going to go on the screen share and again, just take any notes and we'll go from there. Thanks. Okay, so just go on the full screen here so you can see the full screen. Just bear with me. Okay, so basically, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a passive income with a company called Mind.Capital. This is a cryptocurrency company, and again, it is literally just, what are we now in September? 9 months ago, we got started with this opportunity, and it really has blown us away. It keeps getting better and better. So again, the cryptocurrency industry is literally it's exploding. I mean, most people have heard of Bitcoin, but most people haven't got Bitcoin. So if you're getting Bitcoin for the time for you know, just getting started in Bitcoin, then you are considered an early adopter, I can assure you. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a passive income with crypto assets. And you know, when the company started, actually, there was 2,500 different cryptocurrencies. So there's more than Bitcoin. Okay, there's actually now over 6,500 different cryptocurrencies. Okay, over 32 million people are using them. And again, in the next 10 years, within the next 10 years, the market is expected to grow from today's value of between $300 and $400 billion to in excess of $3.6 trillion. That's a huge, huge rise, and this is what we call a growing trend. Okay, it's a trend that you definitely want to be involved with if you basically want to make big profits. And again, the fortunes are made by the people who get in the start of these fortunes, you know, the forefront of these new trends. And cryptocurrency is definitely one of them. Okay, so this is our CEO, 72 years young, Gonzalo Garcia-Pelayo, okay, the CEO of Mind.Capital. Now, a very famous man in Spain, big celebrity over there. This is the very famous for beating the casinos. This guy, genius, not only beat the casinos, he actually won the most ever in the casinos. On the roulette table, he won over 250 million pesetas. That's over $200 million. Okay, he was so famous and so successful, they made a film about him, and you can basically literally watch that. It's on YouTube, it's on the front of the website, and again, you can watch that in your own time. It's called The Pelayos. Now, not only that, though, he actually has produced over 160 music albums, okay? So that's a pretty amazing amount. I mean, you know, let's say 10, 20, but no, 160 music albums. So that's, again, massive amount of work here. In addition to that, though, not only that, he's actually directed over 10 films. One of them considered to be the top 10 best films in Spain and the top 100 worldwide. So as you can see, very successful entrepreneur. He's been interviewed by all the top leading European magazines. He's been on TV multiple times. You can have a look on YouTube and basically watch some of the interviews. Just bear in mind they are in Spanish. Okay, so again, he got involved in cryptocurrency 3 years ago, started to look at the way how you can make profits from them, and then form the company. So that's our CEO. And again, I've met him twice. We work together, and a very friendly man, a very fun man to be around, and again, a great mind, great entrepreneur there. So let's look at some of the Mind.Capital advantages. Okay, this is a company that has its own technology. It's got its own bot, which will make a passive income for you using arbitrage in the crypto markets. And arbitrage is something that was considered low risk, because all it's doing, the bot is looking for price differences on the cryptocurrency exchanges out there. Now, there's thousands of these different exchanges, and the prices on the exchanges are always different on the cryptocurrencies. As you can see there, over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, as I mentioned before. So there's a lot of opportunities for the bot to search for these profits. When it finds a profit, it'll pay us a profit. And again, the company gets 35% of that profit, and the affiliate members, we get 65%. And you don't have to know anything about cryptocurrency trading or arbitraging. This does it all for you passively. Okay, so the company have their own team, the corporate team, who I've also met, and again, very helpful and incredibly successful what they produced here. This is a 100% transparent company, so we can see you know, everything the company are doing. The corporate team are all available. The CEO even comes on calls, on Zoom calls. Obviously with the COVID-19, not many events, but there has been events prior to that. Obviously I was at the start event on January the 11th, and there's going to be many more future events as we come out of the COVID-19 situation. Also, the company has its own company established in Estonia. Estonia is renowned and known for being the most digitalized country in the world. They have their own payment gateway. They've got their own exchange, which was launched yesterday. And you can see there also the company, the bank capital OU and the registration code. You know, this company is doing everything in the correct way. It's also an opportunity for you to make a passive income, but also a residual income and earn an affiliate income from the amazing business opportunity that it has here. So that's just some of the advantages of Mind Capital. So Mind Capital coin is a coin that is internal only, okay, and they brought this coin out, internal coin, is a stable coin. One Mind Capital coin is equal to $1 US, and they brought this out because the governments, and even now the governments, are looking at the stable coins in the exchanges, and they are looking at restricting them. Okay, so again, this is could be a problem if it was on an external exchange. But Mind Capital really, by doing this, is literally, it's guaranteeing the consolidation within the Mind Capital project. So one Mind Capital coin equals $1 US. So again, Mind Capital is an arbitration. Okay, the bot does all the work for you. It's in the crypto fiat markets, and this was the first company in the world to do arbitrage, not just in the crypto, but crypto to fiat. Okay, so basically it's working in both markets, looking at the price differentials of not only the cryptocurrencies, but also the fiat currencies. It's looking for a 2.5% profit. When it sees a 2.5% profit, it will close that profit, and we get a piece of the pie. 65% of that goes to the members and 35% for the company. So everybody's happy. It's a passive income. And just so you're aware, the crypto fiat market only trades, because it's trading in the fiat market as well, the fiat markets are closed at weekends. So this is over a 5-day period, you'll see a profit. The profits are paid Mondays, profits are paid on Tuesday, and Fridays on Saturday. Okay, now they have launched the exchange, which allows us to earn 7 days per week because the exchange fees that companies like Binance and Kraken are making billions of dollars we are now able to capitalize on it. And it is absolutely phenomenal what they've created here. But again, they created their own technology. Obviously, Gonzalo created the bot, and you know, all the maths behind it is done by him. And again, you don't need to know anything about it. It's basically the bot does all the work for you. You literally just make a contribution to your account. Because remember, okay, yes, it's no cost, but you still own the crypto. Okay, you're just using the crypto to make even more for you, generating you a passive income. And let's face it, yeah, don't we all want passive income? In other words, money coming in while we sleep, even money when you're doing other things. Remember, trading your time for money basically is not the smartest way to make money, because when you stop work, your income stops. The great thing with passive income, it makes money all the time. So again, profitability, that's what it's about. You're in a business, number one goal of any business is to make a profit. And the profits here will vary, obviously, because it's real trading. The trades are all verified. They've all got the hash IDs of all the trades that the company do Literally, they do live Zoom calls with the technical team to show you. They copy the trades, and everything is transparent here, which is absolutely brilliant. Really is phenomenal when you think about what we have in our hands here. Okay, so basically, again, the bot is producing anything from literally 1.5% to 0.5%, which is paid daily. Okay, and again, you can withdraw these profits daily if you wish, 7 days per week. Okay, it's live on the blockchain, and again, the bot does it all automatically. Again, there's thousands of exchanges out there. As long as exchanges are out there and exchange and cryptocurrencies out there, okay, then the business will be here. That is the bottom line, and it's a growing market, this industry. So again, just at the start of this year, it was 2,500 cryptocurrencies. Now there's over 6,500. So where will it be this time next year? Many more. So again, just a quick example here. You've got the exchanges, you've got the brokers, you've got the bot there working for you. You don't need to know anything or do anything. Company do it all for you. Absolutely fantastic. So here's a quick example of one trade. It's just one trade. Okay, so again, you've got the bot looking for the opportunity. It's going to buy on one exchange at one price, and then it's going to sell on the other exchange at a new price at a profit. And on this example, you can see there that the profit is $200. Again, the network, the affiliate members get 65%. The company gets 35% to run the company. They're doing very happy, I can assure you. And everyone's happy. It's a win-win situation for everyone. And this isn't like high-risk trading, like what we call everyone, you know, has heard of forex trading. This is where, because forex trading, let's face it, is really gambling in whether the price is going to go up or down. And if you gamble wrong, or you make the wrong decision, then you lose money. That doesn't happen here. In fact, every single day that the bot has produced a profit, that is an absolute fact. You know, we've been in literally since the start, and every day the bot has produced them profits. It's absolutely fantastic. If the bot never saw a trade, remember, it's not going to execute that trade. So we can't lose money. That's the beautiful thing here. Okay, so again, just exchanging here the distribution of the returns: 65% to the affiliate members, 35% to the company to manage the expenses and the maintenance, etc. Okay, so your account also has a feature automatically, which is set in, which is compound. Now, Einstein said the most powerful way to make money ever is to compound your profits. So again, compounding a profits is very simple terms is, let's say that you've got $1,000 in the contribution working in the bot, and the bot produces 1% profit. Okay, therefore it makes $10. Yeah. Now, what's it going to do with that $10? Yeah, it's going to compound it. It's going to, the next day, it's going to be trading $110. Okay, it produces the same again, and again, that profit on the $110, okay, is going to be compounded, and this is compounding your profits. It is incredibly powerful. Again, you don't need to know how it works. It just does it because your account's set like that. And again, if you want to withdraw, you just stop the compounding and you just withdraw your profits each day. That if you wish to do that. Most people will grow their account though, and use the advantages of that compounding. Okay, so commissions and profits from the trading is all basically available instantly. So this is available on the blockchain. So literally when you do a withdrawal 7 days per week, you can go in there within literally 5 seconds. It's in your own cryptocurrency wallet, and then obviously you can withdraw it to your bank account or do whatever you wish with it. And again, the minimum withdrawal is 50 mine capital coins, $50. And again, your initial capital, just so you're aware, is in the trading. It's locked in for 90 days. Now, after 90 days, you can withdraw that, but just be aware, if you withdraw your capital, then you'll have nothing to trade, so you'll have no passive income. That's how it works, guys, okay? So, again, do what the wealthy do, okay? They use money to make more money, okay? And that is what you're doing here. You still own this cryptocurrency, remember. If you want to withdraw it after 90 days, 91 day, 101, whatever day it is, after that 90-day period, you can withdraw it, but I can assure you, over 99% of the people and members leave the mine capital, the capital in there because they're generating profits all the time. And however, if you need that capital for any reason, you can get it. It's there for you. Okay. So basically, this is a screenshot of the members area. So you can see there, you've got the balances, the crypto fiat. It demonstrates it, the trades, so you can see them there live. It's got the difference, the prices. It's got the documentation, the promotion, if you decide to do the affiliate program. And it's also got the social media links all there for you as well. Okay, remember the company do technical Zoom calls. They record them. You can even see them on the company's YouTube channel, so you can go watch them in your own time if you wish, and you'll see them copying the hash IDs from all these trades, okay, and showing them, logging into the exchange and showing you how they're all matching up to the back office. Again, never seen a company ever do anything like this before. So as I said, Mind Capital doesn't cost anything to join. There's no monthly fees or anything like that, okay? However, it is trading, okay? It needs some capital to trade, and the minimum that they have is $40, okay? So $40, it gets you started, and again, that is affordable for the masses, okay? It used to be $100, and they changed it literally about just over a month ago to $40, so everyone can get started. There is no excuses here, and again, the company will be using that $40 in the trading to make you more money each day. Again, the returns, anything from 0.5% to 1.5% variable each day. These trading days, again, between 13 and 18% a month. This is passive income. Passive income is what I call free money. I mean, it is absolutely phenomenal. There is a maximum, which is $100,000, and we've got many of our members already at the maximum. Because it's real trading, and remember, trading is all about capital. The more capital you have in the trading, the more profit you're going to make. That is a fact. So how do you participate in Mind Capital? Very, very simple. You cannot sign direct to the company. You have to go through an affiliate, which is great for the affiliate. So again, get back to the person who shared this presentation with you. Okay, you make a contribution, okay, of $40 to your account in Bitcoin, by the way. And again, if you haven't got Bitcoin, the person who invited you to this presentation can show you how easy it is to get Bitcoin, and then obviously make that contribution to your account. That's it. Once your contribution is in your account, you don't have to put it anywhere or anything like that. The company will automatically put it into the bot, and then you need to give it a full 24 hours for that bot to produce a profit. You'll start to see the profits there in your back office. Again, you can withdraw them profits daily, 7 days per week, or you can do what most people do, will compound the profits and make even more. Passive income at its best. Okay, now outside of that, okay, I'm sure you are going to be so excited about this, like all the members are, that you're going to be wanting to be sharing this business with others. And this is optional. And if you do, you will get overrides, not off your own direct, but also through what we call a network of 10 levels. It is phenomenal. The compensation plan is optional, it's free, and it's another way for you to make money. Okay, so in addition to that, this is what the company have been working on for many months now, and they launched it yesterday, the Mind Capital Exchange. Okay, now this company, this takes the company to a whole new level. This is like, if you've heard of Binance or Coinbase, Kraken, these companies are making billions of dollars. Ultimately, they're digital currency banks, and they make money off fees, just like bank accounts. Banks make billions, trillions of dollars off us guys, and they make it from the fees and the transactions. Cryptocurrency is much better because the fees are much lower. However, the fees are still fees. They're still, because of the volume that's being traded, you know, there's huge profits being made here. And the beautiful thing now is we get a piece of the pie. You as an affiliate member are going to be able to capitalize on the exchange fees. Again, Mind Capital is lower exchange fees than the likes I just mentioned there. So again, it's what we call a win-win situation. So again, this is a screenshot of the Mind Capital Exchange. This is within your Mind Capital account, okay? And you can make a deposit to your account. You can then exchange them to Mind Capital coins, put it into the trading, happy days. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, which is the stable coin, and MC coins. They also have technical analyst indicators on all the different sites there as well. So you can, if you want to go through that, the traders out there will like that. I'm not a trader, okay? I basically leave that to the experts, and again, but it's there if you want it, and that's the beautiful thing. In addition to that, though, the company are not resting on their laurels. They're already working on 5 new bots. Okay, these are bots that basically look for profits and again allow the members to make even more money. I mean, you know, it's already phenomenal what we already have and what they've done and what they've created here, but now they're even working in the background, working and testing these 5 new bots, and we believe that we'll get the next 2 bots within the next, literally within the next 30 days. So again, this is just the technical indicators and the charts here. Okay, again, you know, don't worry if you don't understand anything like that on that screen, because I don't, because I'm not a trader, but it's there for you and there for you if you want to use it. For the traders out there, there's plenty out there that want to do that, but it's brilliant. However, what they do have, they have videos that explain how to make obviously a transaction, a withdrawal, a deposit. It's really, really very simple. I didn't have any videos when I was testing this out, and it was literally, it took me 2 minutes to literally transfer from my Mind Capital account, do an exchange to Bitcoin, and then withdrew the Bitcoin to my own wallet, and it literally less than 2 minutes and it was done. Very, very easy to do, fast, and again, the member who introduced you can help you through that as well. Okay, so the company have an optional referral program, and just like any company out there, companies even like Amazon, they have an affiliates. Okay, affiliates actually create most of the sales on Amazon, just so you're aware of that. And again, the company are going to reward you, and they're going to reward you in a big way. Okay, there is absolutely huge money to be earned as an affiliate with Mind Capital. Okay, so again, how do you feel about an opportunity that can already make you a passive income, but also the advantages of using affiliate marketing, network marketing, and earning residual incomes, literally, which will make you money 7 days per week now. Okay, with obviously the exchange day, you're going to be able to earn on fees. And when it really sinks in about what you can earn on these fees, it is absolutely amazing. It's staggering. And again, when you understand that, you won't be able to sleep. It's exciting, very exciting. So again, the volume of the plan is you get paid off the profits that the bot makes for you, and the transactions, remember, in the exchanges from your referrals and also your indirect referrals. Okay, the company have what we call a 10-level pay plan, which I'm going to go through very quickly with you. Okay, let's say you start with $40. Okay, you're a consultant. The company pay you down 2 levels of the compensation plan. So I'll give you an example on how basic, just using round numbers, so it's nice and easy to understand. You introduce somebody to the business who makes a contribution of $100,000, the maximum. Okay, and we've got many members who have done that. Okay, now let's say the bot produces 1% profit in that one day. Okay, that member will make $1,000. That's obviously 1% of 100,000. And because you introduced them on your first level, remember, you will earn 8% of the profit that that bot's made, which is $80. 8% being obviously $80 of $1,000. Now remember, you just made $80, you've introduced one member, okay, and that's just for one day. Now if that bot does the same again the next day, you've made another $80 and so forth every single day. Remember, every single day that we have been involved in this company and this opportunity, the bot is producing profits, yeah? Now it gets even better. Now let's say that that member, okay, introduces somebody who also does the same. This is what we call the second level. They put 100,000 in, the bot produces 1%. Okay, because it's on your second level, 4% of that is $40. So now, yeah, remember, you only introduced one person. The other person that you introduced the second person. You're making $120. If that produces 1% each day, $120. You only introduced 2 people. You're just getting started. Now it gets better because, again, you get to advisor level, $5,000 on your front level. That doesn't mean that you need to make the 5,000 contribution. That can be your first level combined of 5,000. So you might be only in with 1,000 or whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, but if the team obviously on the first level has contributed 5,000, yeah, this basically company then will pay you down 4 levels. Okay, or down. If it's a team volume of $10,000, again, you're getting paid on level 3 and level 4, and you get 3% on them levels. Again, we have the senior advisor level, 15,000 combined frontline, remember, or a team volume of 40,000, you're getting paid down 6 levels. Again, level 5 and 6, 2% on them levels. Leader advisors, 50,000 or 160,000 in team. Again, you're getting paid down 8 levels. And then finally, we have the global advisor level. okay, global advisor, 100,000 combined on your front levels, okay, or a team volume of 650,000, and then you're getting paid down the full 10 levels of the compensation plan, 2% on them lower levels. Now, think about this, that you're doing this business, okay, and you're doing it like a business, okay, you're treating it as a business and you're following our training, okay. This actually will add up to literally, forget about hundreds of dollars a day, you can be making thousands of dollars a day, you can have thousands in your team, you won't know these people in these lower levels, okay, but you'll be getting a commission, okay, from the profits. Not only that, all the transaction fees. Remember, all these people are going to be buying and exchanging, yeah, and selling on the exchange. These fees, okay, yes, they're small fees, but they add up, and they will add up literally to thousands, even potentially those with big teams and work hard can make millions of dollars. I mean, it is unprecedented. It's phenomenal. So this is the commissions of the exchange. So again, the exchange fees, you know, you really have to understand it. I just did another Zoom with the Russian team, and I did a live example showing how I just literally exchanged $100, and that produced a 2% commission in the payment plan. Okay, that's $2, by the way, and that is only $100. Okay, and that is just one transaction. Now think about that. We've already got well over 60,000 members in 90 countries. Okay, these transactions, they're going to be absolutely, these amounts are going to add up hugely, and we get 30% paid through that level as we, as just gone through there. We get paid the same levels. So again, 8% right through down to 2%. That's incredible. So again, those are obviously who are already in and got a nice team, you're already increasing your earnings instantly. Okay, and what are the advantages of using the minor capital exchange? Okay, lower fees. Lower fees. That is the beautiful thing here. So we get lower fees and we earn more commissions. It's a win-win situation for everybody. In addition to that, we have what we call the Ambassadors Club. Okay, now there's 17 ambassadors in Mind Capital as we are doing this live presentation. Okay, to reach the ambassador level, you need to do a team volume of $4 million, okay, in 10 levels. Okay, the company asks you to only promote the Mind Capital opportunity in the networking industry, and basically the company approves that, then you will then earn an override of the global company-wide profits. And it's shared out between the 17 ambassadors as I'm recording this. And again, absolutely phenomenal when you think about that. Okay, just so you're aware, the single line may contribute a maximum of 75% of the qualification volume. So in other words, you can't have all the volume in one kind of like sponsor. Okay, you need to have another 25% there, just so you're aware of that. Okay, and you can see the ambassadors also there. If you go to the front of the website, mind.capital, you scroll down there, you'll see the ambassadors there. And again, I'm fortunate and very privileged and honored to be an ambassador as well with them. Okay, so again, you know, what can it do? Some more of the advantages, you know, the lifestyle that this kind of opportunity can earn you. You know, you can wake up and you can choose how you want to live your day. You know, not worrying about the price of things. Look at the situation of the COVID-19. Most people are worried about the future. They've lost their jobs. Businesses are going under. We're making unprecedented profits. We really are blessed. And again, you know, the company are going to be offering incentive holidays. You're going to be an opportunity to travel the world. They're going to have celebrations, events, recognitions. This is an opportunity to help your friends, people who are struggling, people who want to earn, want a different direction in life. And again, people who may be worried about the future. Maybe they're already unemployed, unemployment's rising, there's a big recession going to come out, worldwide recession with the situation. And again, this is an opportunity where people can literally get away from that and start to earn income on a daily basis. Absolutely fantastic. So again, go to the mind.capital website. You can see there, okay, you take a snapshot of that. The company also have a blog, so you can follow the blog and we give updates on there about cryptos, etc., and the currency market. You can see the Facebook group, you can join that or like the page. They also have the official Instagram group. The Telegram groups, I definitely recommend that you join them. Telegram, just download the app and again, That's the link in Spanish. Obviously, the English one is there. And then they have the fabulous YouTube channel with all the videos on there. They've got all the different languages. They've got all the different explanations of how to do everything. It's absolutely fantastic what this company do for us. They also have tools to promote the business as well. So the Play in there, this is a bot that uses Telegram that automatically interacts and explains the business to any prospects that are looking for that. We also record these presentations. So again, you can share these presentations with your prospects. And just like anything, some will, some won't, so what next? Some people see it, some people don't, but I can assure you every single person, every member here with Mind Capital is making money. And again, with the launch of this new exchange, our incomes are just going to go through the roof again. It is absolutely fantastic. And then remember, the company are launching 5 new bots for the future as well. So again, it is absolutely fantastic and phenomenal what we've got here. So again, from myself, here in the UK, I want to thank everybody who attended this presentation today. All you need to do is just get back to the person who shared this presentation with you. And again, actually, just before I wrap up, what I will do, I will go back on the screen share. I do apologize, I may. I wanted to share this with you. This is basically the commissions of the exchange. Okay, so you can see here now. Okay, 30%, yeah, obviously distribution in its own compensation plan, paid through that 10 levels there. So again, 2%, so again, is from the balances of the MC arbitrage profit to the exchange. Okay, that is paid out 2%. And then 2% from the exchange to the balance of the, to the arbitrage. 0.2% internal operations, that's in the exchange itself. 0% deposit, so if you're depositing, okay, Bitcoin to My Capital Exchange, there's 0%, so there's no fees on that, so there's no commission on that, just so you're aware of that. And then withdrawals, 0.01. And just want to share something else with everybody on here as well, and that is the, I did write this out in some notes here, so I will just bring that up for you. Okay, and this basically shows you the differences of using the Mind Capital Exchange, the prices. This is the main thing. Okay, so if you have a look here, okay, starting today, if you use the Mind Capital Exchange, okay, you'll be paying just 2.21%. Now, this is lower fees. If you just use Coinbase, okay, you'll be paying 3%. That is a fact, okay? So by using Mind Capital Exchange now for obviously deposits, withdrawals, etc., okay, you're paying just 2.21%. But not only that, you're generating profits and commissions, yeah, for everybody in the team. So that basically is the bottom line of it. Yeah, this combines the earning power of the billion-dollar profits like Binance, Kraken, and it offers lower fees and the ability to earn commissions. That is absolutely fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you for attending this presentation today. We were a little bit longer than normal because we had a little bit more to cover. But again, if you're a guest on this presentation, you're watching this out there on YouTube or on the social media channels, just get back to the person who shared the presentation with you. And again, get started with us. You'll be very happy. You'll be waking up with a big smile on your face. And again, good to see the people on the video camera there. Again, we've got Ben there in Belgium, doing events in Luxembourg, etc. And again, Lorna, good to see you there on Lorna's on the video as well. Great, with your mask on there, that's great. And again, just want to say well done to all the team, and keep doing what you're doing. And again, to all the guests, just get back to the person who invited you on, and again, just get started with it, start making money daily. God bless you all. Thanks for watching, and most importantly, follow your dreams.